Jim Cramer is legendary and for many polarizing. You either like him or you just don't. And the group of people who fall in the latter category is considerable. Tuttle Capital Management, which previously launched an exchange-traded fund betting against Cathie Wood stock picks, plans to debut the Inverse Cramer ETF. It's a great idea. Yes, they will bet on all stocks, opposing what Cramer recommends, avoiding what he endorses, and buying what he doesn't. Cramer is far from perfect. His recommendations have seen good and some bad days. Naturally, the most talked about are the bad ones. For example, he praised ARK Investment Management's Wood just before her flagship fund plummeted. Cramer does emphasize that he encourages long-term investing in a balanced portfolio. He endorses diversification with different assets like index funds, bonds, gold, and individual stocks. He tries to provide balanced information. To a certain extent, his advice is more of a guide through the different stock options than direct investment training. The Inverse Cramer ETF would be actively managed, meaning financial professionals behind the scenes would monitor Cramer's stock selections and overall market recommendations through Twitter or his televised appearances. Fund managers would then sell those stocks short or use derivatives to produce a negative correlation to his recommendations. If Cramer said he was negative on a stock or an ETF, the fund managers would take a long position. What's interesting is that Tuttle's anti-wood ETF that I mentioned is up almost 90% since its launch in November of 2021. They have more than $350 million in assets. Don't worry though, if you believe in Cramer, Tuttle is also planning a long Cramer ETF. Now, I don't know if you have the financial bandwidth to try both, but I do know that one of the best strategies in investing is to play both sides. Then you can cover all your bases. If you do try both, let us know how it goes and leave some comments in the suggestion box.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open and we're happy to answer any of your questions.